Hello dear students, in our today's session of FIBSc Microbiology part first, we are going to start with your second credit of semester second, which includes the part of biochemistry, and the point which we are going to discuss today is about carbohydrates. In this session, we are just going to study the general introduction about the carbohydrates, what are carbohydrates, what are the source of carbohydrates, what is the use of carbohydrates, and what are the different types of carbohydrates that we are going to study one by one in detail. So first of all, one must understand what are carbohydrates. These carbohydrates are aldehydes or ketone derivatives of polyhydric alcohol or compounds which produce these derivatives on hydrolysis. It means any aldehydic compound or ketonic compound which is prepared after the hydrolysis of any particular product or polyhydric alcohol is known as carbohydrate. किसी भी कंपाउंड का जब हम हाइड्रोलिसिस करते हैं, हाइड्रोलिसिस करने के बाद अगर वो अल्डिहाइड या फिर कीटोन रिलीज करता है, then that compound which is formed is known as carbohydrate, and this carbohydrate is composed of three type of compounds like carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Basically, if we consider about human body, carbohydrate is a major source of energy. Near about 45% of energy to the human body is gained with the help of carbohydrates. 1 gram of sugar, if it is utilized, then it can release up to 4 calories of energy. So carbohydrate supplies a large amount of energy to the body. Basically, there are two types of carbohydrates, or carbohydrate group. First one is sugar, which are known as saccharides. These sugars or these carbohydrates are gained with the help of different types of dairy products. For example, milk. Milk is a great supply of lactose sugar. Then different types of fruits, vegetables and sugars can also supply carbohydrates in the form of sugar. And second type is starch. Now these starch or the fibers, these are generally found in different types of grains or bakery products like breads, pastas, etc. are a rich source of starch and fibers. Basically, any group or any sugar whose name ends with OSE, for example glucose, fructose, maltose, the name which ends with the letter OSE indicates the sugar or saccharides, which are also known as carbs or carbohydrates. Now, the major source of carbohydrate are plants. Generally, the plants that gain their energy from the sun, they use, with the help of these sunlight, they convert the carbon dioxide and water into the carbohydrates or the glucose. प्लांट्स क्या करते हैं, सनलाइट यूज करके जो भी कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड प्रेजेंट होता है, उस कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड का कन्वर्जन करते हैं इनटू कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स विद द हेल्प ऑफ वाटर. अबाउट 65% of food in our daily diet consists of carbohydrates, and these carbohydrates और कार्ब्स को ब्रेक डाउन करने का काम हमारे बॉडी में कैरी आउट होता है इनटू द शुगर्स. जब कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स का ब्रेक डाउन होता है इनसाइड द बॉडी, दे आर कन्वर्टेड टू द शुगर्स, एंड दीज शुगर्स और द ग्लूकोज इज एब्सॉर्ब्ड इन द ब्लड स्ट्रीम. जब ब्लड स्ट्रीम में ये शुगर एंटर होती है, दैन द पैनक्रियाज secrete the hormone insulin, and with the help of these insulin, the glucose from the blood is transferred to the different cells where it can be used as an energy source, and it can also be stored in the form of glycogens inside the body and utilized whenever necessary. In plants, the carbohydrates are in the form of cellulose, and these cellulose generally forms a structural framework of plants, and they also have the different types of uses. For example, wooden furnitures, then the pages of our notebooks, cotton in our clothings, all are made up of these cellulose, which are carbohydrates. Now we'll see the classification of carbohydrates. Now carbohydrates are generally classified depending on the number of subunits present in them. मतलब कार्बोहाइड्रेट कितने सब यूनिट से या फिर कितने मॉलिक्यूल से बनता है, इस पर डिपेंड करता है विच टाइप ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट इट इज. नाउ फॉर एग्जांपल देयर आर 4 टाइप्स ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स: मोनोसेकेराइड, डाइसेकेराइड्स, oligosaccharides and polysaccharide. Now if we consider monosaccharide, now monosaccharide is the simplest form of carbohydrate, जिसमें सिर्फ एक ही टाइप की शुगर प्रेजेंट होती है. मोनो मीन्स सिंगल एंड सैकेराइड मीन्स शुगर. सिंगल टाइप ऑफ शुगर इज प्रेजेंट इन दैट मॉलिक्यूल, एंड फर्दर ब्रेकडाउन ऑफ दैट कार्बोहाइड्रेट कैन नॉट बी कैरिड आउट. Such type of sugars or such type of carbohydrates are known as monosaccharide. For example, glucose, sugar, fructose are the type of carbohydrate which are made up of single type of sugars. And then the second type is disaccharide. Now, name itself indicate di means two and saccharide means sugar. Any compound or any carbohydrate which is produced by the combination of two similar or different types of sugar is known as disaccharide. जब दो मोनोसेकेराइड को हम एक साथ कंबाइन करते विद द हेल्प ऑफ ग्लाइकोसाइडिक बॉन्ड, दैट type of sugar or that type of carbohydrate is known as disaccharide. Now here glycosidic bond means the glycosidic bond or glycosidic linkage is a type of bond which helps to connect or join carbohydrate to another group. वो another group, it may be carbohydrate or it may be another type of compound. किसी भी शुगर को या फिर किसी भी कार्बोहाइड्रेट को दूसरे मॉलिक्यूल से कनेक्ट करने में जो बॉन्ड रिक्वायर्ड है, दैट बॉन्ड इज नोन एज ग्लाइकोसाइडिक बॉन्ड, एंड सच टाइप ऑफ बॉन्ड्स आर फाउंड इन डाइसैकेराइड्स, ओलिगोसैकेराइड्स एंड पॉलीसैकेराइड्स. We will study these monosaccharide, all the types of carbohydrates in detail one by one in our further lectures. Next type is oligosaccharide. Now oligosaccharides are the carbohydrates which are produced by the combination of 3 to 10 monosaccharides. When 3 to 10 monosaccharides or 3 to 10 types of sugars comes together and forms a chain or forms a group with the help of glycosidic bond, that compound is known as oligosaccharide. For example, maltotriose or raffinose is an example of oligosaccharide, and the last type of carbohydrate is polysaccharide. Now poly means many and saccharide means sugar. The compound which contains many different types of or similar type of sugars, or monosaccharide, more than 10 monosaccharides when comes together to form a single structure or carbohydrate is known as polysaccharide. For example, starch, cellulose, glycogen, they contains a large number of monosaccharides connected to each other with the help of glycosidic bond, and such structure or such compound are known as polysaccharide. Now what are monosaccharide, what are examples of monosaccharide, what are the structures of these different types of carbohydrates, that we will study in our further lectures one by one. See here in diagram you can see the glycosidic bond. As we have discussed earlier, a glycosidic or bond or glycosidic linkage is a type of covalent bond that joins a carbohydrate molecule to the another group which may or may not be another carbohydrate. It is not necessary that one carbohydrate is bind to another carbohydrate only. They can bind to the another molecule which is not a carbohydrate. Just the covalent bond which helps the binding of carbohydrate is known as glycosidic bond. So this is the general introduction about the carbohydrate. In the further lecture we will study about the types of carbohydrate. Thank you.